The System Management menu also allows you to modify the insurances that are loaded into Billing Pro. To do this, simply select Insurance Setup from the System Management menu. Here you'll find a list of all of the possible insurances that are set up in Billing Pro. To create a new insurance, just click on the New button and select a payer name. You can enter a payer name, Mom and Pop's Insurance Company, give it an address, Somerset, New Jersey. Exactly. Now though, this insurance would still need to be set up as part of the practice and provider profile as we saw earlier. The record has been saved, but we need to set up a group ID, a provider number for the specific insurance, and also the payer information of how this is going to get sent and billed to the specific insurance. If we want to modify any insurance, we can do that a number of different ways. First, we have to find the insurance that we're looking for. All of these columns can be modified or sorted by just clicking on the column name and clicking on the insurer name, for example, or the payer name, and scrolling the list. Or a much easier way is just to search by the actual city. So Somerset, New Jersey. There are a number of different payers here. We can go find the one that we're looking for, Mom and Pop's, and modify it to include a suite number. Or even if we're going to delete an insurance outright, we can just find the I think because we've modified it, we can go find an insurance outright and just click on the delete button to delete that insurance. If we want to modify any insurance, of course we click modify, and when we're finished we can just click close. The System Management menu also has the option for the referring physician setup, which allows you to load referring physicians into your practice. For example, if one of your referring physicians is Dr. Brown, Warren, the address of 123 Main Street in Franklin Park, New Jersey. We'll give him a phone number as well, if we know his UPIN, social, tax ID, license, NPI, contact name, Medicaid PIN. We can select a specific specialty. Internal medicine. Let's say geriatric as well. Then we'll click save. Record saved. If we want to add a new referring physician, we just click new and follow the same process again. And of course, as you become accustomed, whenever we want to make any changes, we can just click modify or delete to outright delete this referring physician. What's important about the referring physician is there are times on a claim where you will need to add a referring physician. And here you can just click on this add button or the plus sign to go find the referring physician of your choice. So we've added Warren Brown as one of our referring physicians. I can just search by last name, find Warren Brown, and double click on that account or that contact to load Warren Brown as my referring physician. We can save that claim. The System Management menu also allows you to update guarantors. The guarantor list is completely different than the patient list. For example, for pediatric practices, the patients will be the children. However, the guarantors will be the parents. and it does not make much sense to add the parents as patients of the practice since they are the guarantors of the patients. And that's the reason why we have a guarantor list. If we go to the Personal tab here in the Demographics, we can see that there is a space for Financial Guarantor. Here we can click the plus sign to add the financial guarantor. This is again a similar list to the referral list. It's a little bit different because this is specifically for guarantors. We can try to find the guarantor of our choice by using a last name or a first name or a zip code or a social security number. If we're unable to find the guarantor of our choice, we can click on New Guarantor. New Guarantor is going to take us to a place where we can add a new guarantor. Here we can just put in the last name, a first name, a date of birth, social,